Now let's get familiar with the software. Installation of the software is straightforward. Just double-click the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. After opening the software for the first time, you might be asked for permissions to use the local network. Be sure to accept this. You'll be asked to register the software when it's first opened. This is optional, but we recommend signing up to our newsletter to stay informed about software and product updates. After registration, you'll arrive at the landing page. On the top left is the main menu. Here you can switch between light and dark theme and set preferences like language. Below, you'll find notifications about things like new software releases. Release notes can also be found here. Before we start a new project, let's give you a taster of what to expect by showing you around the software with a basic project we prepared earlier. Here we have some patched fixtures in spaces, with some scenes already programmed. You can use walkthroughs to learn about various aspects of programming, so let's use this to explore the software. The main area of the screen is the canvas. This is where you place fixtures, scenes, and devices. To the right is a browser, which displays a list view of selected items, such as fixtures and scenes. The properties of the selected item are shown to the right of the canvas. You'll find the Tools menu in the lower part of the screen. This area displays different tools depending on the current selection. Above this are simulation controls, allowing you to start simulating your programmed scenes and schedule. Finally, the Home tab. Here you can find a link to the online help, and shortcuts to guided walkthroughs. Now let's have a closer look at the menu bar. Here you'll find buttons to show and hide the browser, property editor and tools menu, undo and redo, and canvas tools like zoom, grid visibility, snap to grid, and a filter to control what's shown on the canvas. Finally, the status bar. When you start any action, like adding fixtures, a helpful description is displayed, often with suggested next steps and useful shortcut buttons. So there you have it. Let's start with our first real project.